Today in biology, we will discuss excretion in man. As you know, definition of excretion is removal of nitrogenous wastes from the body. The chemical basis of life is metabolism. The sum of all chemical reactions in living organisms' body is called metabolism. During metabolic reactions, wastes are formed. So these wastes are named as metabolic wastes. The major metabolic wastes of human are as follows. Number one is urea. It is produced from the metabolism of amino acids. Second is creatinine. It is produced from muscle creatine. These are all metabolic wastes. Third is uric acid. It is produced from the metabolism of nucleic acids. Fourth is bilirubin, end product of hemoglobin breakdown. As you know, hemoglobin is a pigment that transports oxygen throughout the body, and metabolites of various hormones. The end products of metabolism or the substances that take part in metabolism change process are called metabolites. Fifth are toxins. Toxins means harmful substances. Metabolic waste also include the toxins produced within the body or ingested, taken into the body through the food if it is not properly washed, such as pesticides. Pesticides are the chemicals which are used to kill pests, small insects, drugs, and food additives. Now, what are food additives? These are the chemical substances which are added to food to maintain or improve food safety, its taste and freshness. Some images of food additives, like these are also natural, artificial. Now, excretory organs of humans. Number one, liver and kidneys. These are the primary structures for eliminating, removing waste products. Removal of salts from sweat glands. It is for the purpose of thermoregulation, that is to maintain body temperature. The removal of sebum on the skin is for protection against germs, microorganisms. Sebum lubricates the skin and hair of mammals. So, in context of definition, skin may not be considered as an excretory organ. Why? Though skin assists in or helps in eliminating excess of salts, water, small amounts of urea by the process of sweating, but it's just for temperature regulation, that is to remove excess heat from the body. So skin is not considered as excretory organ. Urea is detoxified. Detoxified means harmless or less harmful. Urea is a less harmful form of ammonia and is produced in urea cycle. And urea can be retained in the body in greater amounts as compared to ammonia. Liver, central metabolic station. Why it is called as? Because it is an excretory organ and is the central station of metabolism and is body's central metabolic clearing house, that is plays role in excretion. So liver functions are pivotal. Pivotal means important, crucial, vital for homeostasis, balance, and involve interactions with most of the organ systems of the body. Liver supports the excretory role of kidney by detoxifying making less harmful of many chemical poisons, and it produces ammonia, urea, uric acid from the nitrogen of amino acids. Urea is the principal excretory product. Liver produces it from the waste nitrogen in a metabolic pathway which is called urea cycle, which we discussed earlier. In urea cycle, 2 ammonia and 1 carbon dioxide molecules are shunted into the cycle to produce 1 molecule of urea. Of them, 1 ammonia molecule combines with carbon dioxide and ornithine to form citrulline. Subsequently, another ammonia combines to form arginine. The arginine is split by an enzyme arginase to form urea, and precursor ornithine is ready for next cycle. Now the image of urea cycle, it is shown.